back.
Hi, I'm Tawanda.
Hi, I'm Santana.
Hey, I'm Daryl.
Hey, I'm Jamie. Hey, I'm DeAndrea.
Hey, I'm Dante.
Hey, I'm Naldo.
Hey, I'm Quabrell.
Hi, I'm Keishantis.
Hey, I'm a commute.
Hello, my name is Nicosia Jenkins, and we will be doing a class on alopecia today. Does anybody know what alopecia is? You can go first.
It's like, as far as I know, it's like when they missing hair on their head, they might have like a spot or a patch in their head, and that's from alopecia.
Yes. Yes.
They can lose hair on other parts of the body as well.
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. So the correct definition for alopecia is an immune system disease causing hair loss on the scalp, face, and sometimes other areas on the body. Phylogenetic disease contribute a number of specific genes in order for a child to have alopecia. Does anybody know the cause of alopecia? Yes.
When your body mistakes a normal cell for invading.
What you think?
I was gonna say that.
Okay. Also, scientists don't actually know what's the cause that triggers alopecia. They don't know whether it's something inside your body like a virus or a bacteria, or if it's something that's in your surroundings. It just happens out of nowhere.
So basically, anybody can really get alopecia.
Correct.
Any random person.
Yes, yes,
But does this mean two healthy people can have a child that has it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You can get it at any age, or it's gonna stop you going.
You can get it at any age. Anybody, any
I
age.
think I got
Is this what happens? Is this what older people start to develop, or their hair just starts to fall out? Like,
They also can develop it too. You'll see
Okay.
it later on the slide. So there's 3 common types of alopecia. If you look at it from left to right, you'll see the one with the patches. That is alopecia areata. Then you will see the one where she's only lost hair on just her scalp. That is alopecia totalis. And the one on the ends where she lost hair all over her body. That is alopecia universalis. So if you look at these pictures over here, this is the symbol, just kind of like cancer, but it's the blue symbol. It's for alopecia and people that fight it. Alopecia doesn't have a specific age. So any age, sex, or ethnic group can have alopecia. Alopecia is also not contagious. Anybody know any early signs of alopecia?
Thinning of hair on the top of your head.
Yes.
Bald patches.
Yep. Anybody else?
suddenly losing hair in different places.
Yes. Somebody else?
Full body hair loss.
Yes, Miss Clark. And patches of scaling that spreads all over the scalp. As you were saying earlier, generally thinning on the top of the head, that'll be common in most older people.
Okay.
Is there a cure for alopecia? No, it's currently not a cure, but they can give people any kind of treatments to help them start back to regrow for the hair. So doctors can suggest people with some kind of pills, ointment, cream, or they can get shots in the head.
Yeah, Jesus.
So that comes to the question, how can you treat alopecia? It can be treated by shots, injections. It can be treated by creams, and it can be treated by pills, but it have to be powerful anti-inflammable drugs that can suppress the immune system. So those pills or cream or injections will be steroids.
So, how do you keep a child that has alopecia? Do they have a way where they give them a certain dosage to keep them? When you say steroids are really, really strong, and you normally don't want to give a child steroids. So are they trying to give them in certain dosages? Because you're saying that it has to be powerful. That's how you deal with a child. So I actually had a child in my home that used to have alopecia, but they just had like a shampoo to try to help her, to try to help her hair grow in that spot, but didn't want to give her too much of it because it could cause bad reaction to it.
So with the child, you will give them steroids.
So steroid just for the grown people.
Yes.
Okay.
So I would guess that the worse the problem is, the more dosage they would give them. So how bad it is, that's how much they would give them, if that makes any sense.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically, they know what it is. They don't know how it's caused, though, but they can give you something to help you grow back your hair.
Yes. Yes, Dante.
So, if somebody got cancer, do they have alopecia?
No.
Okay.
I can see why.
No, they don't. But if you have cancer, what's gonna make your hair come out is the chemicals when you get radiation.
Oh,
You get the chemotherapy. That's what make your hair come out. Cause you also can use that for alopecia.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Question.
Yes.
Do you have any idea how often alopecia patients or victims are confused with cancer patients?
I would probably say all the time. Cause just because you see somebody hair coming out, you probably like, oh wow, they might have
They got
cancer.
cancer.
It don't mean they have cancer.
That's
They have
the first
alopecia.
thing people
yeah.
think.
Nah, I see somebody know how, but oh, we might got cancer.
All right, next.
Well, if you want to know any further information, you can go to any one of these links.